Hello everyone. I know it's been a little while, not as long as before, thank Christ. But yeah, I'm back. Now, if I remember, we're on planet... Novalis. Woo! More bomb thingies. Hooray for... Oh, those are still normal. Yeah. Alright, vendors.
Hi there, Buzzball.
He's cool. Alright, so I'm most likely... Well, hold up. That's actually pretty decent for the next level. So, I'm gonna go this way. And here's the map of the whole place. The places and stuff. So, if I remember correctly, there should be a gold bolt somewhere in this planet. Well, oh. Well, shit, that was convenient. Boop. Give me the moolahs. Oop, shit. Whee. Okay. So, oh, goddamn, son of a bitch. So, the day I'm recording this is Mother's Day, and most likely the day I'm uploading it will be Mother's Day. And I shit you not, last time's episode took so long to upload. Because, you know, I tried to upload in, and I use this word very lightly, good quality. Hello, little fucker. Hi. Oh, there's two of you. Forgot about that. Let's see. What's over there? And it took, I think, like 2 hours and 40 minutes to upload like a 12-minute video. So I'm gonna, me being the master of this game that I am. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh, what's this goodness? Gasp! Gimme! Collected gold bolt. Literally, they are worth nothing. They do nothing. They don't get you like any secrets. They don't get you anything. It's just like, hey, this is literally like we died. They're literally just like, think of them like achievements for all you youngins who have never played this old ass game. It has been around since my children days. Also, I don't think these hurt you. Nope. So you can walk into them like an idiot. Yay. Quality entertainment. Okay. Let's see. Hip it! Hooray. Oh, that's proceeding. Hold up. Okay, that's nothing. And, alright. Okay, now I think I'm gonna change the camera back to inverted. I know I probably talked shit about it before, but, shut up. Camera. Normal. Okay. This feels right. Oh yeah, you can break shit too. Oh, I almost missed this. Hardy toy, 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 toy. Wee, that did nothing. Ooh, bolts. Gimme, 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 gimme. I love it, the monies. Ah, come on. Give me things to fight. I need blood. I mean oil. Yeah. Oily blood. Things need to die so I can be happy. Damn it. Come on, come on, come on. Please. Regardless of what game I play, if I am given the option to double jump, I will always double jump. You know why? Just fuck logic. That's why. You can't do that shit in the normal world, but you can do it in video games. So following that logic, do it all the fucking time. Look at this shit. Who needs single jumping? Who needs single jumping in this shit? Wee. Oh,
And
that's it.
blast it!
Thick.
Plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He
He
hasn't
doesn't
got enough
have
bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing, shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Alright, but first.
Enter look around mode. Press and hold.
Shut up. I'm surprised I haven't gotten hit yet at all. That must be a better game than I thought. Self pat on the back. Last time it looked like he pulled it out his ass.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Open up.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar
You know, now that I'm
ship
recording,
We seem to
I
be under
realize just
attack
how
from the
many
planet's
cutscenes
surface.
there are in this game.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's hamstring.
Eject! Eject!
And they out.
You see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder. Always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say.
Unfortunately,
I've
I
never
know
seen
people
him
who
look
are
so
like that.
freaked out.
Gadgetron Infobots.
I try not
give
to
you
associate
coordinates
myself
for new
with them.
planets.
They kind of
Now
annoy me.
that you have the Infobot for planet Iridia, you
Yeah, shut up. Hello. Hello. More karate noises. Pew! Woohoo! Down I go! Collecting all the poo money I can. Because this is a sewage pipe and it's poopy. It's poopy money. Let's see. Let's go this way. Might find some goodies. Ooh, dive. Give me all the monies. Give to me all of the shiny and sparkly things. Oh, shit, shit, shit. Screw the shiny, sparkly things. Life. Back down, okay. Shiny, sparkly things, give me. Give me. Okay, I think with this one I got the last one. Up I go. Okay. Ammo crate. Ooh. Let's see. Well, shit. Okay, let's go. Whee. I remember there's like some destructible stuff in here, but I don't know. Oh. Well, these guys are gonna die. Whee! Oh. Look at me deciding to aim with something that involves bombs. Sweetness. Now, if I remember, it's here? Where is it? It's around here somewhere. Come on. Is this it? Oh well. Well, I'll figure it out next episode. So, thank you for watching. And, yeah, it feels actually really nice to be back in YouTube. So, have a good day. Bye.